guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with a simple, very simple project to start the new year. Today is January 2nd. Happy New Year, everybody. I feel a new energy in the air, and with a new positive energy, let's create something simple, easy, and attractive too. So I use copper and sterling. So you can use whatever material you like, any gems of your choice. I will use labradorite. These are microfaceted. Size-wise, you can use any size you want. You can use very, very delicate or a little bit thicker. It's up to you. I never really decide when I do something on a size or something, but just rather create a tutorials that you can tailor it to your gemstones, because we all use different gemstones anyway at home. So wire wise, we will use today for the frame, we will use 19 gauge, and I will have hard, or I can use maybe copper, and the same gauge, and 24 gauge for inside, and any gems. Okay, let's pick up some wires. Let's start wire wrapping. So let's first cut our 19 gauge. I already pre-cut. These are exactly 3 inches long. So that's what we wanted to know. So 3 inches long, we need 2 of them, and we also need 24 gauge wire and our beads. And it's yeah, I will not judge by how many stones are here, but rather length. So what we want to create is, in my case, in these earrings, we have something that is, after you put your beads, it's 1 3/4, almost 2 inches long. So that's what we want to do. If you use the tinier beads, it will be more here. If you use thicker, like a larger beads, it will be less. But that's the lengthwise. I like how it sits, how it's like create that. But you guys can tailor it. You can make it smaller up here, less here. That's all very flexible. Okay, so what we do is we want to mark. If you have a Sharpie or something, you can mark your earrings where the half is. I will just scratch a little bit here, since I lazy today. I don't want to go up and look for a Sharpie. It's in different place, but I will just mark it here, and that's where my half is. So I will just put a little band here. That's all. You need to do 2 with the same one. With the second one, I won't do it because, you know, I will just show how I did it, and you can make 2 exactly same. After that, I will use today this tool. It's I use it for straightening the wires, but it's like actually nice. Have a nice curve, and you can do it for like making links, like a bracelet. It's supposed to be for bracelet making. So this we will use, and what we have right now is shape like this. What I do next, we will make 2 ends. I use my round nose pliers, and I use the smallest part here. So I just tight, go at the end and curve it. You can see how the snips. My wire doesn't want to listen today. Okay, so that's going all the way to the where they meet. You can see, right? Yeah. And we do, so the little, so how we curve it, we wanted this wire, the curve, this will be on the other side, like right here. And that same I will do with the other. Just gently all the way up. That's what it is. Then what I do is I just use this fantastic tool and just make the curve. You can also probably use with the hands like gently, because I don't want this very pointy here. I will use my round nose pliers and just go up here a little bit. So the curve is not that sharp. But if you like the sharp, that's okay too. So that's what it is. The frame looks kind of funny before we hammer it, right? It's just need to be hammered. So I will take my block and try to hammer this time to absorb the sharp. Maybe I will be very, very, very quiet. Quiet hammering. I don't know if it will work. Let's see. So guys, that's I like to make a lot of tapping, just slow. You don't have to do it's not annoying. I know some that's make too much noises. Also, I hammer this part because I feel like when it's like, even if you hammer a little bit, it toughens so much of your frame. So what I do is like I do the same on the other side and the same here, and I do more than just I did it, because when you see my earrings, you can tell I quite hammer. I hammered quite a long time and create that thicker side here, and also this one is hammered too. So after you're happy with your shape and when you hammer nicely, I also like it to put on my working space, and with these pliers I just push it a little bit after it's done, you know, and it's not even hammered, but that will give me perfect shape. Now we want to embellish with the beads. I like lengthwise. There's my can go on the side. So this is the length. So I use here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12. I think I have 12. So before even doing the, so that's 1.5 inch. See, 1.5 inch with the beads. So that's what roughly you can put it, like whatever, how many beads will sit there, like 1.5 inch long. And I use the smallest also tip and just a tiny end here, and I just will make round loop. You use your flat nose pliers and nicely go around here. It's so delicate. Right, yeah. Okay, done. So this is the one. And now I will do the other one. And the same thing. I liked only 2 wraps. Cut. Okay, and when I curve it, I want these to be both this way. Now we take our the frame with the hammered, nicely hammered, and also these sides, and you just put it one, and open up this. And when you have them on, make sure these nicely, you just tailor it a little bit, so those have to be properly sitting. You will see one, and that's it. And you guys made the earrings. You can also push it how you want it, because this is not completely hammered, it's wobbly, but the pieces that hammered, that they are very stable. I like simple stuff, and they large, they big. You can create very big earrings with something like that. Like, you know, you can put if you like tassels, like a tassel fact, you can also cut pieces of chain, and after each or after 2 you can put a little chains in there, so it will be extra something. I think it's a cool design. Simple, very simple, and it's something that can be very light on your ear. Could be a great also present for somebody. Guys, that's all I managed to do this today. I was making tons of different ones, like different colors, and I think it's like I will do some green ones, and I will do some with red beads and all kinds of beads. And you can do different shape a little bit. You can tailor it to you. You can really play with that. That's it. I'm so excited that this is 2024. And thank you guys for supporting me. As always, I will see you next Tuesday. Thank you for watching. See you next time.